Get back to your Microsoft Store applications with these fixes for this annoying error code. So first, start with potential error resolutions that are more straightforward to apply, such as running the Windows Store Applications Troubleshooter. And in order for you to do that, you have to open Settings, click System, open Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and click the Run option for starting the Windows Store Applications Troubleshooter. Then, select to apply any potential solution presented within Windows Store applications. Next up, enable the Microsoft Store Install Service by opening Services, double-click Microsoft Store Install Service, set the startup type to Automatic, then select Start in the Microsoft Store Install Service Properties window. Once done, select Apply, then click OK. Lastly, try clearing Microsoft Store's cache data. Just open Command Prompt with admin rights, enter the following command for resetting the Microsoft Store's cache, press Enter, and wait for the process to be completed. And that's how you can fix this annoying error code in your Microsoft Store application. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.